Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. In this video we will show you how you can add the silk screen to your video in CapCut PC. So for instance, going to select video and then just going to effect and looking for the dot silk screen effect, and you can find in this texture effect. Here's just drag here and just for the duration and adjust for this option, for the size, for the texture. Okay, just simple. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. You can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.